All right, so I had to switch foundations because I don't know what's going on with my my NYX pump, but it ain't trying to work for you, girl. So I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me, and I am in the shade 355. And we gonna use an e.l.f. brush today. This is the e.l.f. blending brush. I've had this for maybe 6 months, so we're gonna take that out the package. We're gonna, y'all know I like to just stipple the makeup and then blend it in. I will say about this foundation, like y'all already know, and if you don't know, I don't really like color correcting. I do not mind my little pimples, my little acne scars, my imperfections coming through. Like I honestly don't. Like I don't like super heavy makeup. So like, I don't know if you guys can see that little blemish right there. I don't mind it. I mean, I'm gonna put a little bit more, but I don't really mind it. So we have our foundation on. Ooh, honey, I got bags. I probably should have concealed. I'm going back here on my Maybelline Fit Me. This is in Cafe 30. This is the concealer I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna go in with a blending. It's not a beauty blender. I don't know who this blender is by. It was actually a gift, but I love it. I don't know who this sponge is. You guys don't know I'm not the biggest nose contour person, so I'm just gonna take whatever's left on this sponge and run it up there. For concealer, I'm using a black Radiance concealer stick. This is just, it doesn't have a shade name, but it's just number 803. I'm going to carve out my contour. And yes, I bring it in lots. And I'm going to be using a Real Techniques, yes, Real Techniques brush to blend in my contour. I'm going to take just a swipe. Just carve that out. Take the butt end, the booty end, and just kind of blend those two together. We're coming along, We're gonna go back in with our Airspun Naturally Neutral face powder. I'm gonna go in with my already dampened and used sponge, and we're gonna set up under there, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and set the areas of my face. I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me 35. It's the Fit Me loose powder, shade 35, y'all. And I'm going to take, what brush do I want? Yeah, I gotta clean my brushes. I'm gonna take the Morphe E58. I'm gonna tap off that stuff. Tap off that excess, y'all. And I'm just going to kind of, y'all know. So now we're gonna go ahead and just dust off this translucent powder. Dust it up, dust it up, dust it off. Ooh, she's looking like something. She's looking like something. She's looking like something. Now, what am I gonna use? Oh. To set my contour, I'm going in with the Black Opal True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm gonna mix the color for the sculpt and contour together. And this is what I'm going to use to set that contour in place and give, like, you know, a little bit more definition to my face. And I'm not really gonna be doing blush. I don't know yet. So kind of, I don't know. I'm gonna take, I mean, just a little, because I didn't really highlight my nose. So I'm not interested in like trying to sculpt it too much. For a highlight, I'm going in with the Master Chrome. This is in the shade 100. And we are going to go ahead and highlight the face. Woo! This damn highlight. I forgot about this highlight, y'all. Oh, I forgot about this highlight. This is a highlight to have. Like, seriously, this is seriously a highlight to have. And yes, I know I went just a little too well. So, get a clean brush. Clean your brushes, y'all. Don't be like me. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and put it right under the arch. Feather it out a little bit. And I need to get my brows done. I already know. Oh, I haven't done any mascara. Mascara, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic. And this is in Carbon Black. And I need to put some on my lashes and blend them in with these falsies. I'm glowing. I'm glowing, y'all. I'm glowing. For under eye, I'm gonna just go back in. Where's that brush? I'm gonna take the dark brown, which is Secret, and I'm just gonna go under my waterline. What should we do for lips, y'all? So I don't really have, oh, yes I do, yes I do. So I'm gonna line my lips with Chestnut, which is just the shit. And I'm gonna use one of the Makeup Shayla lipsticks, because you can get this at Ulta. I think it's part of ColourPop. I'm gonna take the color, come on sis. This is a cute color. I have never worn this color, ever. Ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something with this hair. Maybe, maybe not, maybe not. But so far, this is the completed look. I'm feeling myself. I'm like dead and I am feeling this. I'm feeling this highlighter. Like, I completely forgot about this highlighter. I'll be right back, y'all. Alright guys, so this is my completed look. This is my drugstore affordable makeup look for you guys. I really hope you like this because I had a lot of fun making this and filming this. Everything that I use is affordable. Everything you can run out to your local drugstore and pick it up. I think like my least expensive item was like my contour stick, and that was like $1.99 I think. But anyway, I hope you guys like this look. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Be a part of the fam, and I will see you guys in the next video.